This video is going to explore pay-related social insurance, or also known as PRSI. Okay, so I'm going to ask you all to pause the video now and try and work out parts 1, 2 and 3, because this is stuff that we've already done and we don't need to know anything about PRSI to calculate them. We've now worked out Derek's gross tax by breaking up his 50,000 into the lower tax rate of 20% and the higher tax rate of 40%. Now try calculate Derek's tax payable, and remember tax payable is his gross tax minus his tax credits. So here we've worked out Derek's tax payable by taking away his tax credits of 3,500 that was given to us in the question. Now let's calculate Derek's take-home pay or net income without PRSI. So here we have that net income is gross income minus tax payable, and all we've done here is taken Derek's gross income of 50,000 and subtracted the tax payable of 10,100 to get his income tax excluding PRSI. Now let's look at PRSI. The information we're told in this question is that Derek is in class A1 for PRSI. Well, we're given a PRSI contribution table here, and it's told us that, well, PRSI subclass A1, which is what we need, the employee percentage is 4%. What this means is that Derek is going to pay PRSI at 4% on his annual income. So what that means is, to calculate his PRSI, it's going to be 4% of his gross. What this means is we found 4%, and it's really important that we remember that 4% is 0.04. And this is going to be another deduction of his income. So his new net income is going to be the 39,900 that we already calculated. Take away this 2,000. This equals to 37,900. And we have now calculated Derek's PRSI, and this amount here is his new income tax. So for this question, you're asked a number of things. In part 1, you're asked to find the PRSI contribution per week for Connor. Connor is the employee, so that's going to be 4% of his gross. And here, you're asked what is the employer's PRSI contribution per week. The employer pays 10.75% PRSI on the gross. I then want you to calculate both of their net incomes after all deductions have been made, and that includes their income tax and their PRSI. So see how you go with these two questions. Use the previous example as a guide, and hopefully it won't be too difficult for you all. As always, if you have any questions, just drop me a message.